Good morning, this is Nick with Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 9 Mount Vernon Street, Unit 3L. This is a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment that we have for rent on the 3rd floor in Worcester, Mass. And I just want to start out by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front here. So to my left, adjacent is the door. That's the front hallway. Back hallway is over by the back of the unit there. And we'll go through the whole layout just so you can see all parts of the unit. We'll make our way back there. But I did want to start off in this room, just kind of show the size and the dimensions of this along with the other rooms. So for example, this is probably a good sized living room, big enough for some sectional couch, or including an entertainment system for the TV. Plenty of outlets here going through. There's a little built-in, sort of open closet right there, maybe for some shelving or something else that could be plugged in. But yeah, plenty of outlets. You got the baseboard heaters that go throughout the apartment. Nice island that connects the living room and the kitchen. Everything, especially in the kitchen, looks to be in really good condition. So we're gonna go check out this first. This is the bedroom. This is the first bedroom, the one that faces the street on the front side. This bedroom, this one versus the other one, it would be hard to pick which one's the master because they each have their own unique amenities. Like for example, this one has the coat, the closet, and then over here it has a second room, which could almost just be like an office or something off of the first bedroom. It's really nice to see. There's a window there, gets plenty of light. You have the baseboard heaters that wrap around the whole room as well. So nice efficient heating. And the contention and argument for the other bedroom being a master is that it has 2 closets and it's right next to the bathroom. So, and we'll take a look at that in a little bit. But this is the kitchen. It's kind of the highlight of the apartment. A lot of the finishes are very modern in here. So like I mentioned, this is the other side of the island that connects both. It's got that nice gloss finish on it. Granite style countertops, nice shade of the vinyl flooring, and you get the fridge and the stove all matching right there with the range, the hood fan. The finishing is quite nice on these doors, drawers, and entire apartment is fully cleaned, which is really nice to see. Then you come in through the back here. It's the rest of the apartment. So you have the kind of a mud room coming back from the back hallway. And here's the bathroom. So you have vanity lights over the mirror with the bathroom, and toilet with the tub all in good condition. It's just been done over in the bathroom there. And then here's the bedroom in the back side. Could be a little bit bigger than the other bedroom if you don't include the closet over there, or the office space. And then this is the one with the 2 closets. So, and the doors are jutted out right now because they're open, but when they're closed, it looks a little bit bigger too. And this room is easily big enough for a queen size bed, plus a desk or a dresser. So that's the other bedroom right there, out of the 2. And if you want to see a full list of our vacancies, you can go to Nexus, WOR.com, and go to our for rent page. And this has been 9 Mount Vernon Street, Unit 3L in Worcester. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.